Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer redirects using ClickMagick for multi-offer testing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ClickMagick account. Navigate to the main dashboard where you'll see your current links. Click on the Links tab to view all your existing tracking links. Select the tracking link you'd like to use for your multi-offer testing. Once you've selected the link, click on the Edit button. In the settings, scroll down to the Redirects section. Here, you will find an option to add new redirects. Click on Add Redirect to create a new redirect for your additional offers. Enter the URL of the first offer you want to test. Choose the redirect type suited for your test, either Smart Link or regular redirect. Next, set the percentage of traffic you want to allocate to this offer. Click Save to finalize this redirect. Repeat the process for each additional offer you want to include in your testing. Make sure to adjust the traffic percentages accordingly to fit your testing strategy. After setting up all your redirects, review them to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, return to the dashboard to monitor your campaign's performance. ClickMagick will now begin tracking the performance of each offer. Analyze the results regularly to determine which offer performs best. Make data-driven decisions based on the insights gathered from the redirects. This process allows you to efficiently test multiple offers and optimize your marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.